Scores of coffee farmers along the Blue Mountain farming belt say they are racking up millions of dollars in losses each passing day. The farmers say for 2 weeks their crops have been ready, but the factories are not accepting the commodity. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson journeyed into the Blue Mountains and has this report.
We're here in Albion Mountain in St. Thomas. It is part of the coffee belt here in the parish, and I'm telling you that there will be no Merry Christmas for the farmers here. That's because of this. As you can see, coffee beans on the tree from red to black. They're on the tree for too long. Farmers say no one is coming to take it off their hands.
Then just stop take it from us so with no explanation. What we are going to do? What we are going to do? That we want to find out. That's our problem. That we have a headache pan. What we are going to do with the coffee with the on the tree? At the worst Christmas this. We coffee farmer are 8 hours. All right, now we don't know what we are doing. Every night we have sleepless night.
But the suffering is not confined to coffee growers in St. Thomas. Those in St. Andrew and Portland face the same problem. In total, nearly 1,000 farmers are affected. That number does not include the pickers, drivers, and other linkage jobs. One farmer, out of desperation, began drying the crop on his own. He could not bear to watch the fruits of his labor go to waste.
That me have to do, you know, me still have to pay for some help me take it off, see and we pay if you get it pulp out and thing. I mean, I don't know when me I go get it sell, see and we am done pay for it and everything, so me don't know we are suffer. 20 bucks. Me have the right now, I have the same amount leave on the tree, see we are away from other places where me have same way, so it just depends on the tree I dry up and I drop off. So
the farmers are bound by agreements, so they can't go find their own markets.
And it's something where you can pick off and carry down a town, go sell on the street side. They regulate it, so if you even do a thing, it must do the way of them want. If you do them, it can lock you up.
One farmer suggested the government borrow the template of the legacy projects and seek help for the coffee industry.
We want the Chinese, them to come direct to us, come buy the coffee from us. Since as the people them where to deal with it, can't deal with it. Bring in the Chinese, them make them can deal with the coffee.
The farmers hope their cries do not fall on deaf ears. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.